welcome back to my channel. First of all, I want to wish you all a very happy new year. Guys, in today's video, I want to share with you some of my favorite products of 2020 and my not so favorite products of 2020. If you find this video helpful and informative, then you know what you have to do. You have to subscribe to my channel. Please do not forget to press that small bell icon which is right beside the subscribe button so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. And do not forget to like my video and share my video with your friends. Without further delay, let's jump into the video quickly. First, let's move on with my favorite products for 2020. One of my most favorite product which I have used is this. Yes guys, this is Matrix Bio Lace Hair Serum. It's an deep smoothing serum which smooths and controls frizzy hair. So this retails for like $2.95. The quantity is 100 ml, and yeah, this is the best serum I have used so far. I have used the L'Oreal one. I've used Streaks hair serum, Livon, and many other serum. But this serum here, yes, this have worked wonders for my hair. This product is a holy grail product, and I do recommend you all to buy this. So my second favorite product from skincare range is let me show you. These are Good Vibes face serum. Okay, I do have couple of them, and then I do have backup. I finished so many bottles, and I'm currently using, I guess, this one. This is Liquidise, I guess. Yeah, Liquidise D10 serum. This serum works great on my skin. I don't know how it will perform on your skin. I do use it in my skincare routine, and also in my makeup routine. And it just gives that perfect glow to my skin. It do correct what pigmentations there, and yeah, it do helps in smoothing, brightening my skin. This chotu bottle, which is of 10 ml, retails for $2.25 only. But if you buy from, and it's available in purple.com only, and if you buy during sale, purple.com always have a sale going on in their website, so you can check this out, and you do get these at a very low discounted rate, or at some offers like buy two get one free. I do have backups also. I don't want to run out of this product. Yeah, this is the only serum I do use, and these are my favorites. Okay, so these were all for my Good Vibes ka serum. I will make a separate review on this Good Vibes serum. Okay, so let's move on to our next favorite product, which is this. Yeah, this is Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Pack. I do love Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash, and now I have also fallen in love with this neem pack because I don't know, it just suits my skin, and it doesn't make my skin dry after application. So I do prefer using Himalaya range. I do love their face wash, as I said, and now I am also using this neem face pack, and also I have Himalaya that scrub, neem scrub, and I also love that. So this retails for $75 only, and it's a 50-gram product. So yeah, this was my third favorite. Now let's move on to this lip balm. It's NY Bay lip balm, and it's in the shade, like it's in the flavor butterscotch. I don't know how much it retails because it's not written. Anything is not written. Oh yeah, except this. It's a lip pouting on Broadway lip pouting on Broadway lip balm. It's awesome. I've used a lot. As you can see, the packaging is lovely. It has a matte finish. It looks like lipstick. Repairs my cracked lips. That's the main thing I search in whenever I use any lip balm, and it does meet my requirements, so I do love this product. And yeah, I will buy this lip balm again and again in future. So guys, now let's move on to lipstick. I have a couple of them with me right here. Okay, there are 4 lipstick obviously, but 2 are from Maybelline range and 2 are from other brands. So my first favorite lipstick among all is this Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha lipstick. Oh, I don't know how can I stop raving about this product. This is a very nice nude shade, as you all can see. I love it. First lipstick I want to tell or rave about is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. I have this lipstick in the shade Seeker. This is the color, guys. It's a very beautiful brown lipstick with a hint of orange in it. And then I have Maybelline lipstick, creamy matte lipstick in the shade Burgundy Blush. It retails for $2.99, and this is the shade, a very beautiful burgundy shade. This lipstick retails for, I guess, for $6.50. These were my 2 favorites from Maybelline range. And my 3rd favorite lipstick is this NY Beige Shakti collaborated lipstick in the shade Tango Tease. I do love this lipstick as well. I have purchased it for $2.25. Yes, I have purchased it for $2.25, but I don't know what the actual price is. So guys, this is the shade right here. It's also available in purple.com only. So yeah, do check them out in Purple whenever their sales are going on. Guys, next up I have this Maybelline Hypercurl Mascara in the variant Easy Wash. This is one of my most favorite mascara. I do also love Maybelline's other mascaras as well. You all have noticed that I always use this mascara in all my makeup tutorials. So yeah, this is my go-to product. Yeah, I can never go wrong with this Maybelline mascara. I love it. Now let's move on with my not so favorite product of 2020. I was quite disappointed with this product, and I do not recommend you on buying this. It's absolutely your choice if you want to buy, but it's just my piece of advice not to buy. The first product, which is one of my not so favorite product of 2020 is this Mamaearth Onion Hair Mask, which is for hair fall control. Yes, it was one of the most raved product on social media and also on YouTube, and that's the reason I went on and I bought this product. Guys, it is supposed to reduce your hair fall, but trust me guys, that's nothing for hair fall. Upar se, it made my hair super dry and frizzy, and even after applying this serum also my hair felt super dry. It is priced at $5.99, almost $600, and I don't think so you should invest such a lot of money on this product. Yes, there are better options right there in the market, options like Himalaya hair cream, L'Oreal Extenso Care hair mask, and yeah, there are so good hair masks available in the market, so you need not invest your money. I had such high expectations with this product. It just disappointed me like no one's business. I don't know what to say about this product. And with this product, with this hair cream, I also got this neem face mask. This is an okay product. I won't say this is a bad or not so favorite product. But again, I want to say that it's priced at $4.99. I got a free, chalo, that's the reason I'm telling it's a good, like, okay product for me. But it's priced for $4.99, and if you're buying it for $4.99, almost 500. If you're buying for almost $500, I don't think so it's worth the money also, because there are again better options in the market right there. See guys, this is my honest opinion about these products. It's nothing like I'm spreading negativity or I'm bashing these brands. It's just that these did not suit or did not perform well on my skin or on my hair, and I just wanted to share the reviews. Honestly saying, I won't be buying any Mamaearth product in future, because I have understood one thing, that Mamaearth products do not suit me well. It might suit others, and yeah, it's absolutely up to you all. If you want to buy them, it might suit you. I would not invest my money on this product. I would rather buy some other good products which will suit me. Simple as clear. Now let's move on with our next and last not so favorite product of 2020. It is Plum Grape Seed and Sea Buckthorn Face Mist. It is priced at $360, and you get 100 ml of product. I have used quite a lot, because when I have paid for this product, why not use it? I don't waste products. So yeah, I have used it as my face makeup face setting spray. I don't use it as my face mist, because whenever I use this product, I get this tingling sensation on my face. I won't invest my money again on Plum face mist, because again, simple logic, there are better face mists out there in the market. I will obviously opt for the products which will suit me. Okay guys, so this was all for the video. I hope you liked it. If you like this video, then do not forget to like, subscribe and share this channel. So yeah, I'll meet you all in my next video. Bye guys, love you all.
They say I'm living in my own reality, filming everything